So welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, we are going to talk
Good morning,
about
sir.
what is going on.
This is where my brother and his wife
Nigeria,
were
wake up,
kidnapped
wake
last
up,
night.
wake up, wake up, wake up.
The both of them around
Nigerians,
the hours.
wake up, especially southeast, south, wake up. Southeast, south, make una wake up. The Nigeria entirely, every part of Nigeria wake up. Especially Imo State. Imo State, why are you people quiet? Why are you people sleeping? These people don't enter una dormant, una still dey sleep. Or is it because of the army wey surround una? Na im be the reason why una keep quiet. Hey, all of them don dey troop to Imo State now. All these people don dey troop, they don dey run go Imo State. All of them don dey troop go Imo State. Una keep quiet. Hey, make wetin happen before no happen again. Make una no let history repeat itself. Una don go stay there now, stay quiet, stay idle. Una no wan shake body. See how they dey kpai dey kidnap our people anyhow. See how these Fulani bandits dem dey waka about all the bushes in Imo State. See how the bushes of Imo State, they don surround am. They don surround our bushes. What are you people doing? Wetin una dey do? Una keep quiet. These people dey surround our bush, dey surround our place. I pity for my people. I pity for my people. I pity for my people. See how Port Harcourt people now don dey ready. See how Rivers State people now don ready. Una see how Asari Dokubo, how he don ready. Asa Abuja, una see how they don ready. They don ready to face them. Because you no go dey your house, somebody go just come kpai you. You no go dey your day, person go come enter your bush. From that your bush, you go come enter your house. Come there, come kpai you. You come stay there, say you dey wait for Tinubu wey dey for Aso Rock. Hey, me I no understand this one. I no understand this one. Say we go just dey like this, dey look. Our fellow man go come comot our neck for us. Go come kpai us, come carry una enter bush. Come maltreat people wey the way they dey take maltreat people wey we dey say, wey we dey watch on TV.
Good morning, sir. This is where my brother and his wife were kidnapped last night. The both of them around the hours of 7 to 8. He was coming back from town yesterday in his house when they kidnapped him and his wife. According to somebody that was at home, he said he saw Fulani men taking them inside the bush. So this is the bush that I saw them.
So this video you just watch now, this one happened in Edo State, and these people, this couple, they were not even walking on the street. They were right in their home. These people have infiltrated the bushes, the bush around that place. They went to their house and took them to the bush, and now they are requesting ransom, and this lady is pregnant. So are we going to wait until get to our throat like this? Hope Uzodinma, what are we doing to safeguard our bushes? What are we doing? What are we doing? We can't afford to lose our people. Abeg, help us. Abeg, make una help us. Make una help us. Ndị Igbo, help yourself. So you don't reach. Make una no wait, make person comot una neck for una. Make una go and protect una self. Make sure say una protect una self. Make nobody come stay there dey look. Make una no stay dey look. Ndị Igbo. Ọhịa niile, ndị a niile abanyechana n'ọhịa niile. Anọcha ha n'ọhịa niile na-eche mgbe ha ga-strike. Unu kekwa nkwụcha. Unu ekwekwele ka abịa nwụrụ unu n'aka. Onye agha okwukwere ka agbara. Onye nwụkwara ama mpụtakwa ọzọ. Why keeping quiet, Governor of Imo State? Why are you keeping quiet, Governor Hope Uzodinma? Our people don dey suffer too much. Hope, where you dey? Hope, where you dey? Hope, come. Hope, come. Come, oh, come. Our people don dey kpai finish. A sị egbucha dike mgbe oge ihe dike ruru, ị ga-achọwakwa dike o. Egbucha dike mgbe ihe dike ruo, ị ga-achọwakwa ha. Ịchọwazie ha ka ebe ị ga-aga inweta, ị ga-aga ịbọta ha na grave. Ị ga-aga ịbọta ha n'ime ala ka ọ gịnị? Ka ihe na-aga ihe a dị, ka ihe na-aga oyi gịnị na-aga n'ihe a n'obodo anyị, especially n'Imo State. Anyị na-anụ so many people now they put their security, their local vigilante to guide their places. Onye na guide by who is guiding our bushes, so who is guiding our place now? Who is guiding our place? Who is guiding our bushes? These people don't surround us, so this one now no be say when I go talk say make una look well, Fulani bandit don't surround our bushes. You see how every state now don't they run haters-scatter, the southwest, everywhere. They don't they run haters, they don't they run around, they organize themselves. Imo State, they there, they talk about, see, Fulani bandit don't use that opportunity, enter our bush. Una still there, they talk about this and that. Hey, God. Hey, which time where our people go sabi something? Which time where our people go sabi say your enemy dey your backyard? Which time where you go sabi that one? We see how Fulani they waka about, they enter villages. They even they go people house now, they carry them. Then go enter people house, go carry them. We still dey here, they talk about na unknown gunmen or this or no. What? Who be the unknown gunman? The time where they carry them for trailer all the way from north, where they intercepted them. The police intercepted them at Otukpo. During that COVID time. That time where they imported them from there.
They carry human beings as if they are carrying cement and pass. They usually do that in the night or early hours. These people, when they get to Umahia now, they will disappear into the society. We don't know their status. They are not supposed to carry one driver and the conductor only. Well, look at the number. So check out if these things, if these people are not intercepted and they move in like this on daily basis, the kind of situation we have on our hands in Abia. So that is why we keep people at the borders to make sure these people are intercepted and the spread of this virus contained.
So you see, they say the spread of virus in the southeast. Now they are saying, it is by southeast people are buying themselves. You see how they came into Imo State, into southeast. This is how they came into southeast. Some went to Enugu, some went to Imo, some went to Abia. You know, they just spread themselves every part of Imo State. This is how they came into Imo State, and now everybody have forgotten. You know, everybody have forgotten. They are not saying, it's Igbos are buying Igbo. You know, these people now on this truck, are they Igbo or have they left there? Since that COVID time, they brought them to Imo State. Have they went back to their place? Are they not still in Imo State? Even more are coming. You know, you saw the other one they intercepted the other day.